Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To enter Islam, you have to say the Shahada. You have to testify that there's no deity worthy of worship except Allah and that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. But this testimony has implications. The first and the most important of which is the Salah, the prayer. It was named Salah because it is a sila, a connection between the servant and his Lord. But how could we establish any connections if the tools of it are lacking and if the performance of it is flawed? And therefore the Salah is not established as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala intended. Especially that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli. Pray as you have seen me pray. That is why the Sunnah Initiative presents the description of the prophetic salah from takbir to taslim as if you were looking at him. It will be on Saturday, December 16th. See you there, inshallah.